All right, so in this training, I want to show you how you can batch create your Facebook comment thread posts, okay? So this training will save you so much time. And for people who don't know what Facebook comment thread post is, okay, and if you are selling your product or service using your social media, then you need to jump on this, okay? So let me show you my screen. So Facebook comment thread, okay, is basically like this. This is the easiest way in 2025 for you to get leads and sales for your business on Facebook. Facebook comment thread simply means we use this kind of text-based post that everyone can do. You post it, but you put a series of value, including your CTA, call to action, inside the comment area, okay? So you can see this is the post. Then when you check out my comments, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, right? So I pile up the value inside the comments. Then I can make a CTA, getting people to my offer at the end, okay? Let me show you some actual data. If we go to my professional dashboard, okay, here is from the last 28 days. I actually just implemented this strategy in about 3 weeks, okay? So you can see by doing this, I got over 682,000 views on my content. And this number is not included all my product sales at the back end from this traffic, okay? I will show you the product sale in just a second. This $60 is from Facebook by me just posting content, just making this comment thread post. Let me show you. If we go back to my profile, right, from those data, 682,000 views, $60 paid by Facebook, but mainly is how much money can you make by selling your product or service to this new traffic that you can bring to your business, okay? That's the best part in 2025. So just last week, you can see these are all the different income streams I have within my business, okay? $600 from this one program, $997 from my own offer, $5,000 for a coaching offer, $1,700 from this offer. This one is recurring commission, almost $2,000. So just last 6 days, I made over $10,000 already. Okay, so how can you do the same? If you don't know how to make Facebook comment thread posts yet, I put together a resource down below. You can get it, okay? So basically, I'm going to give you this secret resource that I gave to my paid clients. Now, I'm going to give you this resource for free. Okay, so if you click somewhere down below on this video, you're going to get access to this document. Okay, I share with you my top number 5 viral post templates that you can copy and paste or use ChatGPT to rewrite them into your own version. Okay, so once you use ChatGPT, your goal is to crank out 5 to 10 posts a day. I know before we don't want to post too many times on Facebook per day, right? But since Facebook updates its algorithm this summer, 2025, now you need to post more, okay? So once you get this resource, by clicking down below, you can simply take my post and use ChatGPT to rewrite it again and again for you and post it 5 to 10 times a day and see how many traffic you can get for your business. Okay, and now today's training is to teach you about how can you batch posts all this content, right? Nobody talk about this, but let me teach you, okay? So let me show you. You can actually use ChatGPT to write out all your 10 posts all at once, then schedule it. So here's how you do it, okay? So number 1, what you need to do is go to ChatGPT, take my templates and rewrite it, create a new post for yourself. Once you create a new post, I like to copy it from ChatGPT, then save it into my notepad, okay? So before I show you how to batch posts, let me show you how I organize my file, because you only want to do hard work once or twice at the beginning. The more you do it, your speed should be super fast. And a lot of that is to do with how you organize your file. Okay, so let me show you. Once I copy the content from ChatGPT, I always save it into my notepad. So you can see Facebook comment ladder. All these are different posts I did in the past, right? You can see here is the main post. Then step 1 is comment number 1. Step 2 is comment number 2. Step 3, comment number 3, so on and so forth, right? So since I already did the hard work once and I file my file properly, guess what I'm going to do next time? I'm going to simply go to my notepad and pick one, maybe tweak a few words, then I post it again. That's how I can crank out so many posts, even if I'm hanging out with my kids. Okay, so just want to share with you this pro tip. Now, I already created a post. Let me show you how you can schedule your post, including all the comments. So here, you can see Most people think faceless content is low trust. The truth, it can actually convert better when you do it right. And here's a step-by-step system I use. Then I use finger pointing down below, right? Then comment number 1 will be my valuable tip number 1, step 1. Then step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Each of this is individual comment, okay? Step 6, step 7. Step 7 is my call to action. If you want to tap into my system, comment AI Twin, then I'll send you a free training, okay? So let's make this post by scheduling it, okay? We can schedule like 10 posts like this in very short amount of time, okay? So while you are busy tomorrow, Facebook will post it automatically for you, okay? So let's copy this post first. Now let's go to my Facebook. Once you are on your Facebook profile, okay, you need to make sure your professional mode is on, okay? Then you make a post first. So just simply go to your post right here. I'm gonna simply copy that copywriting here. You can change the background color if you want. You see there is a color board right here. When you click on it, you can change it to different color if you want, okay? For me, I keep it as black, just like that. Then you're gonna hit next. Here, instead of publish it now, you want to click on scheduling options. Now we select schedule for later, right? Let's do today, okay? 1:56 p.m. How about that? Save. All right, so schedule for later. Now you go back by clicking this arrow. Go back. Now we're gonna post. What about comments, Daniel? Right, I'll show you. But let's post first. We need to schedule it first, okay? All right, now you can see the post is scheduled. Now that post will be posted on a scheduled time. But let's add those comments to that post first. All right, so we don't need to worry about it. So what you need to do is go to your professional dashboard. You see this blue button. Click on it. In here, you see how beautiful this is, right? Your content is doing the work for you, pulling in massive amount of leads and sales for your business, okay? So anyway, on top of here, you want to click content. When you click on content, then let's find that post, okay? Content library, see all. Click on it. All right, let's see. And under the content, right, you can see all your posts. And you can see the first one, I already scheduled one, okay? This one will be posted tomorrow at 2:34 a.m. So once you find your post that you just schedule it, right? You just click on it, then you can simply add your comment on the post first, just like what I'm doing here, okay? So you can pile up your comment in advance, step by step. Once you've done that, you just simply go back. That's it. When your post get posted, like this one, it will post it together with your comments. All right. Another way to do it is that you can do it from your computer as well. Okay. So what you need to do, if you want to post it from your computer, just make sure you go to your own profile. Then you click on this professional dashboard. Click on it. You're gonna see all the data inside your professional dashboard. But this time, I need you to click on content. When you click on content, pay attention to this one. You're gonna select scheduled. Okay. Once you schedule your post, this is where you can see all your pre-scheduled posts. All right. For example, this one, I scheduled it to be posted about 50 minutes from now. What I need to do is click on it. Now I need to fill out the comment in advance. All right. So that's how you can pre-schedule your Facebook comment thread post together with all the comments in advance. All right. So make sure you click the link somewhere on this video or in the video description and grab my resource. This is going to help you to create a lot of high converting Facebook posts. All right. I hope this training can help you. I see you in my next training video. Let's go.